Why do motorcycles go so fast, do you know?
Because the engine, it works and it makes sparks to make the pistons move and make the motorcycle go.
What do you think's really cool about that motorcycle you're sitting on?
It's old and it's really rusty and this is gold.
What do you like about going fast?
Because I feel wind and it feels good on my face.
And why are motorcycles cooler than cars?
You feel wind all around you. When you roll the windows down on cars, you just feel wind all over on your cheek and stuff. Then when you're riding a motorcycle, you feel it behind your back, you feel it everywhere.